Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the channel today. We're going to be doing an unboxing and initial review of the Bauer Random Orbital Polisher from Harbor Freight.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Alright guys, so I just picked up this polisher from Harbor Freight. It was $109.99. This is supposed to be one of the best random orbitals from Harbor Freight that they've come out with for a long time. Now in the past they had a Pittsburgh random orbital that was decent but had some mixed reviews. But this is supposed to compete with the more high dollar polishers that are on the market right now. So let's take a look at it, unbox it, see exactly what you get, and then do a initial thoughts and review of it. If you guys are interested in seeing how well this performs, I'm gonna be making some more videos here in the future of polishing my cars. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and make sure to watch for more content on this polisher. All right, so to begin with, looking on the outside, this is very like DeWalt-esque. Kind of like a flat design to it, it's not shiny. Just like the DeWalt stuff, you basically get a drawn picture of the product here itself. It gives you all the different specs of the random orbital here. So we'll go over the volts. It's 120 volts, 7.5 amps. It spins at 2,4600 RPMs. It's a 6-inch pad diameter, so any 6-inch pads are gonna work with this. It has a 20mm orbit. That's how far it goes off of center when it does its random orbits. The power cord is 12 feet and 3 inches. It weighs just under 6 pounds at 5.86 pounds. And the overall tool dimensions are 17 inches and 3/8 long, 6 inches wide, and 5 inches high. So just looking at the bullet points here, it says that it is a high performance constant power 7.5 amp motor with soft start for smooth startups and long gear life. So what it means is it's going to kind of steadily ramp up to the speed that you choose. This is a 6-speed with a dial trigger lock for precise speed control. Trigger grips handle provides better control, reach, and leverage. Trigger on-off switch with lock on to easily maintain speed. All metal gear construction improves life and durability. Electronic controller provides constant speed to automatically apply power to the motor when under load. So those are pretty much the high points of it. Like I said guys, this is $109 from Harbor Freight versus some other ones that can go above $200 for the same type of polisher. All right, so opening it up, not sealed or anything like that. We are gonna get one pad. I actually bought 3 other pads, a rough pad, a medium pad, and a polishing finishing pad. But they give you one of these pads in here. It doesn't really say on the packaging what it is, what level of cut it's gonna be, if it's a polishing or if it's a cutting pad. We have some literature here, the Bauer manual, and let's take this out. The actual machine is the only thing left. So it's nicely wrapped in plastic, as you guys can see. Now, one of the big things that I saw that I really liked was this top handle. Now, on some of the more higher end models, you're gonna see that it has a really nice hand position to get different grips and have different hand holding techniques on the actual polisher and be able to put different pressure on the polisher itself. Now, looking at the build quality of it, it's not too bad. Now this is my first ever random orbital polisher, so I can't really compare it to too much other, but we see some plastic design. This is rubberized up here where your hand grip is. The trigger, it's a little sticky, but it doesn't feel bad. We have the lock here, like it said, so it looks really good. Plastic isn't too bad. I mean, it's on the cheaper side of it, but there's no evidence of like being able to see the molds where the plastic was formed. The buttons don't seem bad. Not the best, I guess. We have a plastic screw here for disassembling, I guess. A plastic flathead screw here. We have a Bauer warning label saying to wear glasses and a face mask. You have an Allen key here. I guess that's to be able to take, so you're gonna be able to take this backing pad off with the Allen key that's supplied. So this should, it just pops right out. So you guys have an Allen key here that's 6 right in the side. It's actually pretty nice. There's little cutouts here to be able to stick this back in and have it stay. So the Velcro on here feels nice, it's brand new. Like it said, it had a 12-inch, like I said, it had a 12-foot cord so you can plug it in and have ample room to move around. Here's your 6-speed dial wheel, and it's actually smooth, so I'm guessing that you can get in between speeds, so it's not just click, 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 it just slowly ramps up. But we'll plug it in here in a second and we'll see just how well it works. So we are all plugged in. Let's turn this on and see. Actually, I'm gonna take this off, this Allen key out real quick and just make sure this is tight. So it doesn't spin off. Yeah, it's tight. Minimum speed. feels pretty nice in the hand, not jerky. You can definitely see the, see if I can get this in focus for you guys, and if you can hear the ramp up. All right, so it almost comes on, ramps up the speed, hits a minor speed, and then it kind of tones itself back. Let me see if you guys can hear that again. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is basically go up through the power ranges and then come back down, and we'll see how well it ends up doing this. So just like I thought, this wheel is intermittent. It doesn't just click 1, 2, 3. You can go in between different levels, so you're getting a maximum amount of adjustability in your speed. But man, that thing ramped up really quickly. Let's see how well the lock works on it. Ah, there we go, I got it. Oh, as you guys can see, full use here. Actually pretty cool. And then a simple press and click gets it off. So yeah, this is the Bauer Random Orbital Polisher. And like I said, guys, I'm gonna be making some more videos, do a deeper review, and actually work on some cars with it. So if you wanna see those videos, like I said, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment, hit that subscribe button so you know whenever we make more videos. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.